Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss the SSB Botany questions 2021. So first question number 1. FF Frisch classified algae into, so there are 11 classes are there according to Frisch classification. 11 classes of algae are there. So option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 2. Which is an algal disease? So here, red rust of tea is an algal disease. Coming to question number 3. In case of Oidogonium, dwarf male are born on which form? So that is called non-androus. Question number 4. Fucoxanthin occurs in. So we will get the fucoxanthin in the Phaeophyceae. Option C will be the correct one. Question number 5. The female sex organ in Polycythemia is called. So Carpogonium. Option D will be the correct one. Coming to question number 6. A septate mycelium is the characteristic features of class Phycomycetes. Question number 7. Gametangial copulation is common in Zygomycetes. Question number 8. Typical black color of bread mold is due to its sporangium. Option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 9. All species of Penicillium bearing ascocarp are homothallic. Option A will be the correct one. Coming to question number 10. Which type of rust Poxinia graminis tritici H? So it's a kind of heteroecious and macrocyclic. Heteroecious and macrocyclic. Coming to question number 11. Which one of the following comes under hypoplastic disease symptoms of plants? So that is chlorosis. Hypoplastic disease includes chlorosis. Question number 12. The famous Irish famine in 1845 was caused due to the late blight of potato. Coming to question number 13. Bordeaux mixture, the most commonly used fungicides in option C will be the correct one. That will be your correct. Copper. Coming to question number 14. All viruses are obligate intracellular parasites. So they are obligate intracellular parasites. Coming to question number 15. The capsid of TMB is composed of 2130 identical capsomeres. Just remember 2130 identical capsomeres. Coming to question number 16. Bacteriophages which shows a lysogenic cycle are called temperate phage. Coming to question number 17. Nitrifying bacteria are chemoautotrophs. Option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 18. Teichoic acid is found in which group? So these teichoic acids are found in gram-positive bacteria. Coming to question number 19. The photosynthetic pigments in cyanobacterial cells are located in both. It will be, the answer will be A, chromatophore and B, chromoplasm. So most probably, most appropriately, the chromoplasm will be the correct one. Coming to question number 20, mesosome of bacteria are analogous to decks of eukaryotic cell. So it's a easy question. So that will be mitochondria of eukaryotic cells. Coming to question number 21, which is not true about bryophytes. So about bryophytes, so the option D will be the correct one. That is, Archegonium possesses 7 to 8 neck canal cell, then 2 to 3 ventral canal cell, and an egg cell. So this is not correct. So option D will be the correct one. Others are okay. So coming to question number 22. So it is regarding thallus of Riccia. So Riccia thallus possesses multicellular scale and unicellular rhizoids. So option B will be the correct one. So coming to question number 23. In case of Markansia, each group of Archegonia covered with a protective structure. So that protective structure is known as perichetium. Coming to question number 24. Which of the statement is true regarding Anthoceras? So about Anthoceras, so these Anthoceras have pseudoelaters developed from Amphithecium. Option C will be the correct one. Coming to question number 25. Which part of moss capsule is haploid in nature? So the calyptra is haploid. Coming to question number 26. Dense surface covering by sphagnum over the water bodies gives the appearance of soil. So that is called quaking rock. Coming to question number 27. Meristyle is a part of Dictyostyle. Option C will be the correct one. Coming to question number 28. In the stele of pteridophytes. So stele of pteridophytes, so both vessels and companion cells are absent. In case of pteridophytes, the stele, you don't get any kind of your vessels and companion cells. Coming to question number 29. Trabeculae of Selaginella are modification of endodermis. Question number 30. Antherozoids of Equisetum are spiral and multiflagellate. Question number 31. In case of rhizome of Marsilia, the stele is amphiploic siphonostele. So coming to question number 32. Which structure of fern is called frond? So the structure, that is spore bearing leaves, are known as frond. Coming to question number 33. So what is true about Lycopodium gametophyte? So the Lycopodium gametophyte, so it's a sporophytic and colorless in case of your Lycopodium phlegmaria. So option D will be the correct one. Coming to question number 34. Turpentine oil used in paint industries is obtained from Pinus species. Coming to question number 35. Ovule of Cycas. So ovule of Cycas is orthotropous and unitechnic. Single technique is there. Coming to question number 36, the wood of Pinus. Regarding wood of Pinus, so these woods are pycnogylic without vessels. Nothing. So wood of Pinus, pycnogylic without vessels are there. So option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 37, so dwarf shoot of Pinus have both scale and foliage leaf. Option C will be the correct one. Coming to question number 38, the embryo sac of Nitum is tetrasporic type. So option A will be the correct one. Coming to question number 39, the stele of Laginopteris was monostelic and monostelic siphonostele. Option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 40, each flower of Psychodidae is equivalent to Strobilus. Coming to question number 41, edible part of sweet potato is adventitious root tuber. Option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 42, the dicotyledonous plants with parallel venation is found in Calophyllum. Option A will be the correct one. Coming to question number 43, in case of Calotropis, the phyllotaxy leaf arrangement is opposite and decussate. So option C will be the correct one. Question number 44, opening of the flowers in cymoch inflorescence. So in case of cymoch inflorescence, you will get centrifugal. So option D will be the correct one. Coming to question number 45, the characteristic fruit of family Poaceae. So they are Caryopsis. And an aspect of flowers shown in floral formula but not in floral diagram. So that is position of ovary. So that is not found in floral diagram, but that is present in floral formula. Question number 47, Didynamous androecium is found in Lamiaceae. Option D will be the correct one. Question number 48, according to Hutchinson system of classification, which group is more advanced in any one genus or family? So option A will be the correct one. That is the climbers. So coming to question number 49, primary meristem is derived from promeristem. Option A will be the correct one. Coming to question number 50, which of the following is an internal gland? So internal gland, that is the oil glands, are internal glands. So in this video we have discussed from question number 1 to 50. So in the next video or in the part 2 we will discuss from question number 51 to 100. So thank you. Thanks for watching the video.